friends, welcome back. It's my pleasure having you here. Today I will share delicious stir-fried tofu puff with Wawa vegetables. Hope you like it. Baby bok choy is a mini variety of Chinese cabbage with a tender, sweet, and mildly crisp flavor. It's great for stir-fries, soups, or hot pot, offering a delicate taste. Fried tofu puffs soak up flavors perfectly, turning tender and savory a delicious addition to stir-fries. Tofu puffs are protein-packed and calcium-rich, absorbing flavors for a tasty, nutritious bite. Follow my channel and save this recipes now so you can refer this recipe anytime you like in the future. Ingredients: Wawa bok choy, tofu puffs, chili, ginger. Blanching and pressing tofu puffs removes excess oil, making them lighter while still soaking up flavors perfectly. Tofu puffs turn into flavor bombs, soaking up broth like a sponge for a juicy, succulent bite. Once squeezed dried, cut tofu puff into small pieces. Wash and cut chilies into small cubes. Chopped ginger. Ginger adds a spicy kick to stir-fries, masking odors while boosting digestion and circulation. Wawa vegetable wash and cut into small pieces. Stir-fry chopped ginger and chili to release flavor. Stir-frying ginger until golden brown intensifies its spicy aroma, creating a deeper, richer flavor that enhances any dish. The caramelized ginger adds a warm, nutty note that cuts through grease and elevates the overall taste. Add tofu puff and stir-fry together. Add Wawa bok choy. Seasoning: 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon oyster sauce, 1 teaspoon mushroom powder. Stir-fry baby bok choy for 90 seconds over high heat, crisp tender texture with a sweet, juicy bite at its peak. Perfect when stems turn translucent and leaves just wilt, locking in maximum freshness and nutrients. Optional to add pepper powder for extra flavor. Omit if you don't like the taste of pepper powder. Wawa cabbage is ready to be served. Cooking is so easy. Let's enjoy this delicious dish. Easy to digest and absorb, baby cabbage has fine and soft fibers, which makes it easy for the elderly to chew and puts less burden on the stomach, making it especially suitable for people with weak digestive functions. Low calories and high water content. The water content is over 90%, and the calories are extremely low, which helps control weight while preventing senile constipation. Protecting the heart and lowering blood pressure. Rich potassium ions to 100 milligrams per 100 grams can balance the sodium content and assist in regulating blood pressure. Bone protection. The calcium content is twice that of Chinese cabbage, about 50 milligrams, 100 grams, and vitamin K is used to promote calcium deposition. Immunity enhancement. Vitamin C about 12 milligrams, 100 grams, and selenium together enhance antioxidant capacity and reduce the risk of seasonal colds. Sugar control friendly. The glycemic index is only 15, and dietary fiber delays sugar absorption, so elderly people with diabetes can also eat it with peace of mind. There are 4,000 of delicious recipes on my YouTube. Check it out for more delicious recipes, yeah! I will upload bilingual video recipes every day. Chinese video will be uploaded at noon, while English version at 8:30 p.m. Welcome to follow and save recipes you like. Remember to follow my channel so you will be able to find me when you need cooking inspiration. Hope you like my recipe sharing. Do share out this delicious recipe with friends and family, yeah. Going vegan is a powerful act of compassion for animals, the planet, and yourself. Discover how plant-based living can boost your energy, health, and joy in ways you never expected. I'll upload new recipe every day. See you tomorrow, yeah.